Have you ever wondered how some teenagers start earning money and become financially independent while others struggle even after getting a job? Imagine being 18 and already having money working for you instead of waiting for your first paycheck. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'll reveal how teenagers can start investing early and set themselves up for financial success. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments, do you think investing is only for adults, or can teenagers do it too? If you're serious about building wealth from an early age, then make sure to watch till the end. And hey, if you want financial freedom, hit that like button right now. What is investing? Investing means putting your money into something that grows over time, like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Instead of just saving your pocket money, imagine making it work for you. Many people think investing is risky, but do you know what's even riskier? Not investing at all. Why should teenagers invest early? Most people wait until they are 30 or 40 to start investing, but the truth is, the earlier you start, the more money you can make. Thanks to something called compound interest, even small investments can turn into big amounts over time. Here's a shocking fact. If you invest just $100 per month starting at age 15, you could have over $500,000 by the time you're 50. But if you start at 30, you'd need to invest nearly $500 per month to reach the same goal. That's the power of time. Where can teenagers invest? 1. Stock market. Stocks are shares of a company. When a company grows, so does your money. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull allow teenagers to invest with parental guidance. Would you invest in Apple, Tesla, or Google if you had the chance? Tell me in the comments which company you think will be the biggest in the future. 2. Mutual funds and ETFs. If you don't want to pick stocks yourself, mutual funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are great options. They spread your money across multiple stocks, reducing risk. 3. Cryptocurrency. You've probably heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum. While crypto can grow fast, it's also risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 4. Starting a small business or side hustle. Investing isn't just about stocks. Starting a small business like selling products online, freelancing, or YouTube can also be an investment in yourself. How to start investing as a teenager. Learn the basics, follow finance YouTubers, read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, and watch educational videos. Use a custodial account. If you're under 18, ask your parents to open a custodial investment account for you. Start small. Even $10 per week can grow big over time. Be patient. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The longer you stay invested, the more you earn. Now, here's a question for you. Would you rather invest $1,000 now and wait 20 years, or spend it on something fun today? Let me know in the comments. Common investing mistakes to avoid. Investing without research. Never invest in something just because it's trending. Trying to get rich quick. Investing takes time. Don't fall for scams. Not having a plan. Always know your goals before investing. If you've learned something new today, hit the like button so more teenagers can start their investment journey. Final thoughts. Investing as a teenager might seem small now, but in the future, you'll thank yourself for starting early. Financial freedom isn't just for adults. You can start today. Would you like more videos on personal finance? Comment yes if you do. And if you have any investing tips for other teenagers, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. See you in the next video.